back, my dear friends, on my channel Teaching English Creatively. Today I am here in front of you with 10 important proverbs that one can use to show that how much he or she is fluent in an English language. Proverbs ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਕਹਾਵਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਰੋਜ਼ਮर्रा ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਚਾਹ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਉਸ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਜਾਂ ਉਸ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮਾਹਿਰ ਆ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਦੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਕੁ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਉਸ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮਾਹਿਰ ਆ. So today I'm going to tell you some 10 important proverbs. If you really like this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And do press the bell icon for the more updates. So let's start. Very first is time and tide wait for no man. Like one needs to value the time because time once lost cannot be recalled. अक्सर ऐसी गल सुनी होनी कि बीतिया समा कभी मुड़ वापस नहीं आता. In the same way in English we can say time once lost cannot be recalled. But in similar to that we have the proverb time and tide wait for no man. कि वक्त और तूफान कभी भी आने का वेट नहीं करता और ना ही किसी का वैसे कभी जिंदगी में वेट करते हैं. So one needs to be value time. Next is the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Suppose I have not tried anything in my life and somebody asks me, I have not tried to drive a car, and somebody asks me, is it easy or difficult to drive a car? But I have not experienced yet. How can I say that whether it is easy or difficult to drive a car? So at that time I can only say that the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Once I will try to drive a car, only then I can tell whether it is easy or difficult to drive a car. Next is a stitch in time saves nine. It is better to deal with the problem immediately rather than to wait till it becomes worsen for us. Means this proverb we can use at that time when we want to say that we have to deal with the problem immediately. हम वेट ना करें कि वो प्रॉब्लम हमारे लिए इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए कि बाद में उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए भी टाइम ज़्यादा लगे और हमारी जो एनर्जी है वो भी और ज़्यादा वेस्ट हो जाए. सो इट्स बेटर अ स्टिच इन टाइम सेव्स नाइन. I can give you a very easy example related to it. Suppose my phone screen is hanging in between, but my phone is working. So rather than to wait till my screen completely stopped working, I want to get it repaired. So at that time I can use this proverb, a stitch in time saves nine. Next is beauty is only skin deep. One should not be pleased from the physical appearance because beauty is intellect. Beauty, it is not a true guide to character. One has inner qualities that we need to value. So beauty is only the skin deep. Next is an ounce of protection is worth a pound of care. One needs to be protective enough that we should take necessary measures rather than to spend lots of money on the treatment. As COVID-19 situation has come and we are dealing it with, we are taking preventive measures. So we can say that an ounce of protection is worth a pound of cure. Next is action speaks louder than words. We can use this proverb at that time when words are saying something else and actions are opposite. Suppose my friend is annoyed with me and he or she is actually showing they are not annoyed. But from their actions, from their gestures, it is completely visible that they are annoyed. So I can say at that time that your actions are speaking more louder than your words, right? So this way we can use this proverb. Moving to the next. Next is don't cross a bridge until you come to it. In your life sometimes you think about the unnecessary things, about the unnecessary problems that still you have not deal with. अगर आपकी लाइफ में ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन नहीं आई है जिसकी वजह से आप पहले से टेंशन लेना शुरू कर दी है, आपने पहले से आप उसके बारे में वरी कर रहे हैं, so at that time you can use this proverb that don't cross a bridge until you come to it. Do not worry about the time or the things that still has not come in your life, right? Next is every cloud has a silver lining. Every difficult situation will give one or the other benefit to you. कभी भी आपकी लाइफ में ऐसी सिचुएशन आई हो, ऐसी वर्ष से वर्ष में सिचुएशन आई हो जिसने आपको तोड़ के रख दिया हो, जिसने आपको बहुत ज़्यादा उदास में मायूस कर दिया हो, बट इवन दैट there could be one benefit to you because it is saying every cloud has a silver lining. Next is second last is don't put all your eggs in one basket. Never put your all efforts in one plan. Like you are investing your complete money in one plan, you are spending your complete time in one task only, but do remember you must have the backup plan too, because don't put all your eggs in one basket. Next is you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. Suppose anyone whom you are familiar, he or she is in need of advice or help from your side. You can only offer him or her, but whether to accept it or not, it's only his or her decision. So you should give up at that time if he or she is not ready to accept your advice or offer, because you can lead a horse to water but you can't make him drink. So this is my today's 10 proverbs. I hope these 10 proverbs will be useful for you. If you really like my video, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.